How's it going, everybody? Trucks and Water here. Try this video real quick. Just got the truck washed. We're going out tonight. Bailey's gonna be back on the channel, guys, and we're going out tonight to go do a really cool Christmas thing you can do with your vehicle and or truck. So it's gonna be a fun night. But yeah, got the truck washed. We're ready to go. We are back with
Bailey. Hey.
As you remember from the other Gatlinburg vlog, because all we pretty much seem to do is go to Gatlinburg. But anyway, that's beyond the point. So right now we are going to Shadrack's drive-by thingamabob something.
It's a Christmas drive-through thingy, and it's really pretty, and the lights are in time with the Christmas music. Yeah,
so what you do is basically they give you a radio station, you put it on your on the radio, and then you drive through all the lights. So basically I'm competing with them with my rock lights is what's basically going to happen.
You better not have your bright ass lights on.
You have to turn your lights off.
Okay, good, because I need to get the full feel of Christmas.
They're not that bright.
The nice thing is we don't have to get out of the car.
True, yeah.
I don't do cold.
Yeah. Well, granted, right now I just have my turn signal lights on, and then yeah, here we go, full blast. Yeah, and plus, yeah. So right now we are waiting in line to go to. You can't see it because of my window tint and the trees. But anyways, we're in line waiting to go into the lights now because apparently this is a popular attraction.
Can I go see the pretty lights?
Yeah, it's fun to go see the pretty lights.
It's the only part of Christmas that I really like. Okay. Not huge on Christmas. I think it's overdone, commercialized.
Yes.
And I'd rather be a Grinch.
Yes.
And that dude just made a right turn in a left-hand lane.
Just freaking send it, son. All right, so Bailey, what's the dilemma right now?
Oh my God, that red car right there is really pissing me off. You could fit like almost 2 cars right there in between, and he ain't moving. You want me to get a phone or something? Watch, he's gonna move like 2 feet. Moving at a snail's pace. Not even like 1 mile an hour. Oh my God, move.
About to enter the light show.
It's Christmas. I'm so happy.
Yep, we're about to enter the light show. All right, we're in. When you're trying to compete with Shadrack's, so you turn your rock lights on.
I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day. Every
All right, guys, we just went through Shadrack's.
I paused it.
We went through Shadrack's. Bailey, how was it?
I liked it.
It was really cool, actually.
I knew all but one song.
True.
I love Christmas.
The only thing is though, make sure you get here early, cause holy crap.
Also, you have to pay $2 to go pet the goats and the Highland cows, and another $1 to feed them. So just kidnap a goat. Like crawling underneath the tent.
Please don't kidnap any animals. I do not condone that.
I fully endorse kidnapping a goat.
Yeah, but anyway, it's pretty. Is that? I don't know. It's pretty much mile and a quarter long. I mean, it took us about an hour to go through it.
So many Christmas songs.
There's so many Christmas songs and lights. So we're gonna head into Pigeon Forge now. All right, we're rolling through Gatlinburg, or Pigeon Forge, sorry, right now. And there's a Titanic all lit up. The Hatfield McCoy's dinner show.
I'd leave you in the ocean.
The hell, Bailey? And this damn Mustang that keeps trying to troll with us. Buddy, we don't care about your damn Mustang.
Your Mustang is gay.
You heard it live, folks, from a girl. It is Saturday. I actually am off work for once on a Saturday, so I'm getting some errands run and stuff like that. I'm gonna make a video tonight. I don't know what's gonna go on exactly tonight, but I might film it, I might not, depending on what's going on. But yeah, it's gonna be kind of a normal Saturday run around doing stuff. Time to go to my favorite place in the whole wide world. You know it's bad when Walmart doesn't even have what you're looking for. That is bad. My buddy's Cummins right there. Review coming out on that very soon. It's a badass 4th gen. How's it going, everybody? Trucks and Water here, and as you can see, pumping gas usually in the K1500. The fuel economy is steadily going up as I break in the engine. I'm about averaging about 14, 15 now. So I think you should probably get up, if I'm highway cruising, like road tripping, about 16, 17-ish. But we'll see how that goes. But right now, it did snow, not around here though, but up more north, it did snow. So me and my buddy Colin are gonna go find some snow and see where we go from there. We are now up in Red Ash. Colin's back in the vlogs from last week, and we're gonna see if we can find some snow. So we found some snow. Nothing on the roads yet. I'm still in 2-wheel drive. See how these 420s do in snow, which I already watched a YouTuber that put his 420 truck through snow, and it didn't look good, but he had like 8 inches of fresh powder. So this might be a little different, but we'll see. I don't know how this is gonna turn out though. Well guys, I did find some snow. I did put the truck in 4-wheel drive just in case we didn't know how slick it was gonna be, but she did not that bad. I'm actually thoroughly impressed. Give us a little back road right here. She looks good in the nasty shit. Oh my God, did you see the side of my truck? No. Oh God.
You're gonna have to go get that washed off.
Yeah. Oh God, I don't like this at all. All right guys, we're running up to the Kentucky line right now. We just got done with the Red Ash. Not a lot of snow on the road. Like people, like when they drove over, it kind of melted and pushed it off to the side. But right now we're almost at the Tennessee-Kentucky line. As you can see, it's getting a little hairy out. We can only see about a half a mile in front of us. I'm cruising about 68, 69 miles an hour. And we just lost visual contact with that minivan ahead of us. Holy crap, this is getting real interesting now. Doing good? Jack's doing great. These 420s, I will have to say, these 420s are very, I mean, we didn't drive in a lot of snow, like deep snow or stuff, but what we did drive in, these 420s are very impressive when it comes to slick stuff and snow for as of right now. I mean, I know in deep powder these will be the absolute dog crap, but in like the slushy stuff and whatnot, I've not really had an issue with it at all, actually. Holy crap, it's a little nipply out there, boys, I can tell you that. Alright guys, we went back into Knoxville, we saw a movie with his parents, but anyways, it's that time of year again. Time that I live at the car wash to get all the salt and snow off it. And granted, we didn't do really off-roading or snow plowing or anything like that, but if you have one of these trucks and you want to keep it as clean as possible, and I am not saying my truck is 100% perfect by any stretch of the imagination, I gotta do some body work and stuff this upcoming spring. But if you want to keep it as clean as possible and keep as minimum amount of rust on these trucks off, you have to continuously spray it off in the winter, guys. All up underneath here, you know, all up in the cracks up underneath here, especially down in this area and this area. Just like wash up underneath it, it'll save you in the long run. But I'm very surprised on how good these Nitto 420s did in the slush and the snow we did drive in. Granted, it's not deep. It wasn't deep snow. It wasn't anything like that. And I do believe on powder, these tires will suck. But for what they were, they did actually very, very well. I am very impressed on how well they did. So like I did use full-wheel drive to get up that little hill right there just to make sure I didn't get stuck or start spinning. But they did very, very well. But oh my god, do they need a freaking cleaning. Oh, they look so bad. I need to really scrub them down later on. Because holy crap, they look, especially the front ones, I gotta clean those off really good at some point when it gets warmer out. Yeah, those definitely need a really good cleaning. But yeah, she did very, very well.